A very good morning to everyone. I am Pratiksha Raj and this is Arohi Solanki, my teammate. We are from class 8 Excel Public School, Mysore.
Children love animals. They can easily recognize them from books and pictures. But when we asked a group of kids, which sound does a peacock make? Or can you identify the call of a hornbill? Most of them couldn't.
We interacted with teachers and parents who told us that children learn faster when multiple senses are involved, seeing, touching and hearing. Secondary research showed that the sound-based learning strengthens memory, improves vocabulary and boosts early recognition skills. This has assured us that EchoZoo is not just a toy but a valuable educational tool. This question led us to our project EchoZoo. EchoZoo is a smart tech enabled learning toy that helps children recognize animals and bird sounds using physical cards, interactive audio, feedback and colorful visual cues.
How EchoZoo works. EchoZoo combines simple electronics with intelligent interactions. The child begins by pressing the start button on the toy. This triggers the system to play the sound of any one animal or bird stored in the device. At the same time, the RGB LED glows blue, indicating sound is being played. The child now selects one card from a set of RFID animals and birds card, each card showing a different creature. The child scans the chosen card on the RFID reader. If the sound and the card matches correctly, the LED glows green. If the match is wrong, the LED glows red. The child can try again, explore different sounds and continue learning joyfully. This turns simple sound learning into an interactive memory game that keeps children curious and excited.
Technology behind EchoZoo. Every animal or bird picture is printed on an RFID card. When the card is scanned, the RFID reader detects its unique ID. That signal goes to the Arduino Nano, which then instructs the DF player to play the correct audio file stored on the SD card. The speaker plays the actual animal sound and the RGB LED module displays color based on the child's response. Everything is powered using a rechargeable 18650 battery with a 2-cell holder, nano adapter and jumper wire.
We believe EchoZoo can become a meaningful learning tool for homes, preschoolers and early education centers.